Hey y'all, Dominique Vibez coming to you from Cancun. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day because I have an adventure for you. Today we are going to be exploring Chichén Itzá, our cenote, and the city of Valladolid. We are gonna learn some things today, so stay tuned for the adventure. We have currently made it to the first stop, the cenote. Here's a little preview of what we're getting into today. Wow, just look at that beautiful cenote. Let's go check it out. Outside, we in Cancun for the weekend. I signed up for an excursion with the hostel, Nomad's Hostel, to go to Chichén Itzá and visit cenotes and Valladolid. And now we're at the first stop, the cenote. We out here on the water in the cenote. So the tour was roughly $80, including transportation, a buffet meal, the different stops, and it picked us up really early, like 7 a.m. And then we'll adventure all day. This is like a 3-hour ride from Cancun, so we're up really early to get on the bus, and at the end of the day they'll drop us off, and this might be going on until we might get dropped off at like 10 p.m. But again, that's with all the driving, so it's really good to have transportation included, one meal included, and if you want to buy an add-on plus package, you can add on drinks. I definitely recommend packing snacks and eating a breakfast. I didn't eat a breakfast this morning. I had a bag of chips. So we keep going. The buffet will be coming soon. I can't wait to eat. And then Chichén Itzá. Well, I don't know who's blowing the whistle. It's time to go. We get an hour here and then we move on. So stay tuned for the rest of the gorgeous cenote. There goes the sun. And pro tip, do not forget your camera gear. I'm just working with my iPhone right now in the water, not covered with anything, and I just have my tripod. We're making it work. Oh, and I also came to Cancun solo. I didn't want to stay in Miami for the weekend because it was going to be rainy. So I was like, okay, let me schedule a weekend trip to Cancun. I was here in March with my family. We did the resort vibe, did the excursions, and I want to come back and do the hostel vibe. So that's exactly what I'm doing, hostel vibe for the weekend. Staying at Nomad's in a six woman room, and for 4 days for the weekend was $80. So it was great. So far they have great vibes. They have a rooftop pool, they have a bar, different activities, a co-working space. So I'll be giving the tour on that. The universe is good, sending all the good vibes out there, good vibrations and frequencies. We have the power to create happiness. And that's what I try to do. Cultivate that happiness. Make happiness a habit. I'm listening to the power of positivity. Okay, got me another one. Zapote. It's supposed to be like chocolate. Sweet. I don't know how to describe the flavor. It's good. Oh, we're about to take shots on the bus. They tried out some stebutan, some local honey type liqueur. Stebutan. Hold up. We're all gonna say cheers.
Gana. A ver, una vez más. Así que fuerte.
Gana. Gamba. Chogu. Ichi.
Hachimanki.
Salud.
Traducimos en español. Arriba.
Arriba. Abajo. Adentro. Salud.
Yes. It's up. Down. Center. And enter. Cheers. Chicos, no es tequila, no.
Rico.
No es tequila.
No
Esta es la
tequila.
bebida maya.
Stebutan.
El nombre.
Mayan licorice. Ishtabentun. Ishtabentun.
Sí, significa que nace sobre alimentación de maíz.
Tiene anís.
¿Cómo dije? Estos se tienen 2 días.
Included in today's package is a guitar. Jimbotik. Thank you in Mayan. Jimbotik. Chichén Itzá fue una ciudad maya poderosa entre los siglos X y XIII. Era un centro político, religioso y astronómico. Dominique Vibez, we out here at Chichén Itzá. It's hot as fuck today.
See first? See? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try like 1, 2, 3. Okay. This sound that we hear is the same sound from this bird, the quetzal bird. See? It's the same sound.
El templo principal se llama el Castillo o el Templo de Kukulcán. Es una pirámide enorme construida con gran precisión. Incluso funciona como un calendario. Durante los equinoccios de primavera y otoño se forma una sombra que parece una serpiente bajando las escaleras, simbolizando al dios Kukulcán descendiendo a la tierra. Chichén Itzá tiene una de las canchas de juego de pelota más grandes de Mesoamérica. Los mayas jugaban un juego ritual llamado poc-tapoc, usando las caderas para golpear una pelota de caucho pesada a través de aros de piedra. Pero no era solo un deporte, tenía un significado profundo. En algunos casos, el juego terminaba con un sacrificio humano. Y aquí viene lo sorprendente. Muchas veces era el capitán del equipo ganador quien era sacrificado.
Hola.
Para los mayas, esto era un gran honor. Ser sacrificado significaba que habías sido elegido por los dioses y podías entrar al más allá. Una conexión directa con lo divino. Así que, aunque hoy nos parezca brutal, para los mayas era un acto sagrado. Una forma de mantener el equilibrio entre el mundo humano y el mundo de los dioses. We have arrived at the last stop in the city, Valladolid. It's very colorful. Let's go check it out. A solo 45 minutos de Chichén Itzá está Valladolid, una ciudad colonial tranquila construida por los españoles en 1543. Fue edificada sobre un antiguo asentamiento maya llamado Xlakaj. Valladolid se llama una ciudad colonial por su arquitectura, con iglesias de estilo español, plazas y casas coloridas de los siglos XVI al XVIII. También fue un lugar importante durante la época colonial e incluso en la lucha por la independencia de México y la guerra de castas, una gran rebelión maya en el siglo XVIII. Hoy en día, Valladolid combina su pasado colonial con sus raíces mayas, lo que la convierte en uno de los lugares con más riqueza cultural en Yucatán. Alright, y'all, it's about 9 p.m. and they dropped us back off. Got me a quarter Tecate light, and I had 2 tacos mixtos, pollo, chorizo y chuleta con lime. Muy bien, muy delicioso. Alright, y'all, it's about 9 p.m. and the transportation just dropped me back off at the hostel. I give the excursion 2 fucking thumbs up. Like, it was so good. So I signed up with the hostel and it included transportation, a buffet. Within the package, you're also paying for your equipment in the cenote, and you're paying for your entry to Chichén Itzá. So, you know, you start the day and they pick you up here really early, like 6:50, 7 a.m. And then the first stop is the cenote. And then you are blessed by a shaman visiting a Mayan community, and you have a buffet of food. You have a chicken and pork pibil, frijoles negros, y arroz, and a few other good things spread throughout. Of course, tortillas, corn tortillas. And then we moved on to Chichén Itzá. We were there for about 2 hours, and we had a guide, lovely guide, shout out to him. And then after that, then we visit the town of Valladolid, and you have a guide the entire day, and everyone was great. The guides, the driver, everybody along the excursion today. And after Valladolid, you're on your way back to Cancun, and they drop you off at the hostel. So yeah, if you're in Cancun, check out Nomad's Party Hostel. They actually have a few locations in this area. There's this party hostel, there's a rooftop hostel, there's another one, there's one on Isla Mujeres. But I'm at the party hostel, and they're all pretty close to each other too. So check them out. Today was a fabulous day. I hope you had fun following along with the adventure. Until next time, peace, love, good vibes. Send all that good energy out there to you, and you send it out there to all the people. And we just make ripples and just spread the positivity, spread the happiness. Make happiness a habit. We all deserve happiness in our lives. All right, y'all. Hasta luego. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate y'all. And if you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If your friends are looking for an itinerary or things to do here in Cancun, let them know about this video. Let them know about Nomad's Hostel. All right, y'all. Toodles.